instituted several proceedings against the petitioner. Madhu yaru?
ಮಧು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು PTC ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Against the petitioner on the same set of facts and the cause of action has sought to set the criminal law into motion. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings by the petitioner till the next date of law. One HCGP, two emergent notice. Next. 354B.
Even is concerned.
Huh?
Try to pacify the Galata. Lord, he's been roped in. But since there is a dispute with regard to A4 and the complaint with regard to properties.
We'll see. Get the papers, madam.
But he's assistant sub
11th list on 11th in the fresh matters list. Paper. HCGP is directed to accept notice and secure the investigation papers. Next.
Now charge sheet also filed.
Challenge ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಏನು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Lord, I have produced. Lord, all Lord the
Get the
statements.
material, madam. Yes, 11th in the fresh matters list. Yes. 78-3, more, all these three cases. Permission ilva?
Permission is there, madam.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
Only on the voluntary statement of other accused, my lord, this petitioner was made an accused as a number 2, madam. In all the cases, madam, in the single.
And gambling in a public place.
Public place. But in this case, my lord.
Where were you gambling?
I am not a game, it is a matka, my lord.
Matka, my lord.
Matka,
Permission is there, my lord.
Only thing is that,
Matka.
my lord, on the voluntary statement of other accused, my lord,
All three are matka?
matka, my lord.
Yes, matka. ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇದು ಕೇಸು. ಮಟ್ಕ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
49.
The petitioner, my lords, the co-accused has obtained stay from the Honorable Court.
Tag the petition along with so and so. There shall be an interim order of stay as is obtaining in the companion petition. ಅದು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು interim order. Next. A list on 20th September. Next.
Mother-in-law.
In the meantime, all
Only one, okay. A3.
petitioner is A3.
A2 is not before the court.
No.
He is dropped.
Petitioner is A3 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್.
Okay.
Next.
3-1.
The meantime, next.
2.
The petitioners are before this, petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so. The complainant has instituted a civil suit in OS 1378 of 2023 on the same cause of action and having not secured an order has sought to set the criminal law into motion on the same set of facts. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay. Next.
3.
Petitioner, my lord.
Wife ಮೇಲೆ complaint.
Yes, my lord. Initially,
Petitioner.
the wife has lodged a complaint. Yes.
Wife and ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Wife and husband.
Wife and husband, but petitioner ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Yes, your honor. Petitioner.
The petitioner is the wife of the second respondent husband, second respondent.
Yes, your honor.
Yes. The wife registers a crime against the husband under section 498 for offense punishable under 498A of the IPC. And as a counter blast, the impugned complaint has sprung from the hands of the husband. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of so and so. ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yeah, after filing this petitioner, my lord, he has filed one more case against a.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Yes, my lord. Just within 2 months.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Yes, my lord. After registering the FIR, he has filed 3 complaints, serious complaint against a, including marriage broker also.
Oh, okay.
3, ಒಂದು 498 ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ within 2 months ಅಲ್ಲಿ different police station.
ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
4.
Connected matter, my lord, it's not.
Petitioner ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಂತ.
ಅದೇನು ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ನನ್ನ ಕಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ರೀಚ್ ಆದಾಗ ಕೊಡಿ.
54 ಇದೆನಾ?
54.
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ದಿಸ್ WP ನ ಏನು?
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್
ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. FR
ಒಂದು FR ಆಗಿದೆ,
FR ಕೊಡಬೇಡಿ. ಎಸ್, Next, the petitioner is accused number
Three.
three. A settlement agreement between accused one and two with the complainant has resulted in issuance of certain checks. The proceedings are instituted under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act. The petitioner has no role to play as he is neither the signatory to the check nor a participant in the settlement agreement, much less a signature. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay, query petitioner to the next date of hearing. Next,
65. It is filed, my lordship. CC number 2151.
charge sheet challenge ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಫೈಲ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಹಾ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 weeks ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೋರ್ಸ್.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the application is filed seeking amendment of the petition. Registry to put up the application, so filed, yes.
ಡೇಟ್
ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
Six.
498.
4 ದಿನ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
2023.
23ನಾ?
Yes, please.
29/8?
29/8/2023.
23?
Please.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ
The
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್?
investigation, my lord, the other accused, my lord, has filed criminal petition 8268 of 24. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದೆ.
stay ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ
Mother-
against the husband ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಬೇರೆ- ಅದ್ ನಂಬರ್
65.
tag this petition, sorry, I thought it was 24.
6510/24 and
Hmm.
6521/24.
All right, so and so, tag, except husband, Mekor. Next, please.
57.
Appear for the petitioners in this matter, my lords.
A2 only.
My lord, in this charge sheet is filed, my lord, in CC number 1916 of 24.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Challenge.
Even stay ಕೊಡೋದ್ರೆ A2 only, ಬರೀ A2 ಹಾಕಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes, ma'am.
Husband no.
What has happened in this case is father-in-law will file a complaint. As a counter blast, my lords, this complaint is
ಆಯ್ತು, let's see.
2 complaints she lodged.
File it.
One complaint she has taken, one contention, in another complaint she will take.
File it, we'll post it on the 9th, file ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ immediate.
Yes, ma'am. I'll file the charge sheet, my lords.
Yes.
It's for A2 stay, my lords.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
Yes, ma'am.
A2 ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡ, ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಏನಿದೆ?
Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಹಾ.
Now the police harassing them, my lords. Calling them to the station.
No problem.
Mobile phone ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೊಡೆದೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು
We'll see.
ದುಡ್ಡು
We'll
ಕೊಡಿ.
post- You immediately file it, we'll post it on the 9th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
58.
For the petitioner in this case, my lords, injunction has been granted in our,
ಕೇಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
my lords,
We'll
abutting my property, my lords, the
No
injunction,
problem, we'll dismiss it now.
my lords, your lordship may kindly come to,
The petitioners are before this court calling in question proceedings in so and so.
my lords, injunction order is,
Wait, sir. The complainant registers OS 2456 of 2023 on 16/6/2023 and a temporary injunction is granted later. Immediately after the grant of the temporary injunction springs the impugned crime. In that light, springs the impugned crime as a counterblast to what the petitioners have sought to file and the court granting a temporary injunction. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings where the petitioner till the next date of hearing. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice.
much of this.
Yes, sir.
In this case, Lord, similar suit is pending, Lord, on the
Clear
claim.
report rejected. Yes. In the meantime, next.
Please, interim order.
What else?
Got it.
Yes.
60.
Yashodhar,
Is 90 lakh minus the check
check
amount.
as security matter of trial.
Yes, I have already paid 45 lakhs.
Where
the
have
other-
part payment?
Part payment is already
How,
made.
how?
My lords may come to my ledger account at page number 65 minutes.
Page number?
65 minutes. My ledger account with my lords the respondent. January, my lords, the last 2 entries.
Judgment kudi, part payment judgment.
I have minutes. Dashrath Bhai says.
Dashrath bhai, yes. The issue in the list revolves around a transaction of 90 lakhs between the petitioner and the complainant. The learned counsel for the petitioner takes this court through the documents appended to the petition to demonstrate that 45 lakhs has already been paid to the petitioner. In the light of the part payment being made, permitting further proceedings would run foul of the judgment of the apex court in the case of Dashrath by so and so 2023 1 SEC page 578. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay so and so. Emergent notice to the respondent.
I'm ready.
51.
Please, my lord. My lord, this is a case where petitioner and respondent number 2, both the victims of the same scam, my lord. We get onto the Shadi app for a matrimonial prospect.
We'll see. Investigation paper.
Please, I'll place it on.
Cryptocurrency.
I have
transaction.
nothing to do with it, my lord.
We'll see.
May I just take my lords only 30 seconds, my lord, because my narration also is very important in this.
Please.
My lord, my narration is that, my lord, I get onto this app.
Yes.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, the girl who at least befriends me is Swati. Yes. As far as the respondent number 2 is concerned, it's one Mega. I do not know if it's the same person. They know the chat is only for a marriage prospect, my lord. She says, I want a wealthy, at least my parents want a wealthy boy. So you get onto the app.
Healthy boy. Yeah.
Wealthy
Wealthy
boy. my lord. So, my lord, I am made to invest in 5 different accounts. I'll just take, if my lords were to kindly see page 5, my lord, in 5
Second
different
over.
accounts, 22 lakhs I've paid.
30 seconds over. So investigation papers.
My lord,
Eye on the clock. Yes.
please, my lord. The only issue is, my lord, now there's I've taken anticipatory bill. There's a 41A notice issued after anticipatory bill. That is where I'm here, my lord. Because 41A notice after anticipatory bill, because on 8/4/2024, I get anticipatory bill.
Let him appear before
I have already gone there, my lord. 41A notice is issued after that.
Don't worry, cooperate, sir.
I have cooperated, my lord. My lord, my anticipatory bill
cooperate.
was on 8/4/2024.
Continue to cooperate.
I am here, my lord. I am being branded as an accused here.
No,
Money
you-
has come to my
You wanted to get married to Mega or Swati?
My lord, I don't even know who it is, my lord.
Ibru ilva.
Whether it is Mega, whether it is Swati, at least as far as the respondent number 2 is concerned, it is Mega. For me, it is Swati. I don't even know if it's a girl.
Correct. Mega anta ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ?
I've spent 22 lakhs, my lord. He
We'll
spent
see.
76
Petitioner to
lakhs.
secure the investigation pay. Learned HCGP is directed to accept notice, secure the investigation papers and place it before the court on the next date of hearing.
My lord,
Monday
date may be
9th.
fixed. Please, my lord.
Monday 9th. Petitioner to cooperate with the investigation.
I have, my lord. They've not called me after that.
They have not called you.
After, my lord, I've gone there in May.
Now
After that, they've not called me.
Now they'll call you.
I don't know, my lord.
Yes.
Please.
Monday
Please.
9th.
52.
My lord, 4921, my lord, charges framed and already
No,
two
but
witnesses.
138 ಹಾಕಿದಾರಾ?
138 suit for specific performance, ಎರಡು ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
This is total failure of justice. The complainant has registered 2 cases on the issue of handing over of 2 checks. One under 130, one for the offense punishable under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, and the other suit for specific performance. In the teeth of the pendency of those 2 proceedings emerges the impugned crime for offense punishable under section 406 and 420. Whether it would be maintainable or otherwise is what the apex court has referred to a larger bench in 2022 SCC online SC page 1010. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings with the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Right.
Next.
63.
A4 ಇವ್ರದ್ದೇನಿದೆ? ನೀವು ಡ್ರೈವರ್
They say I am the owner, my lord.
ಓನರ್
Owner. On my direction, my lord.
I'll place, my lord, the entire charge sheet.
10th in the fresh
My
matters
lord,
list.
tomorrow there are a series of other matter 3 and 7 connected.
ನಾಳೆ
matters.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, my lord, tomorrow.
ಆಯ್ತು, finish tomorrow then.
My lord,
I
along with
secure
other
my
matter,
lord.
8858 of. Connect
Huh?
them along with other fresh matter, my lord, 8858 of 24.
Huh?
Please connect this matter along with other matter, my lord, 8858 of 24.
ಕೊಡಿ, ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ದು ಕೊಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ದಾವಣಗೆರೆಯಿಂದ to secure the matter pertains to.
10th ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
10th, I can place the
10th
entire charge
ಬರ್ಲಿ,
sheet.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಲಿ, ಇದು 10th ಬರ್ಲಿ. The petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so for offences punishable under the Minimum Wages Act. The
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು
learned
essential
senior
commodities
counsel
act.
Sandesh Chowta would submit that the company is not made a party, therefore there is violation of section 22 of the Minimum Wages Act. In that light, there shall be, Dial D'Souza, in that light, there shall be an interim order of stay for further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Next.
55.
son's complaint against the father, his sister and brother, my lords. Now, my lords, the manner in which the incident is narrated itself, my lords, is doubtful for this reason. There have been other fights that have been taking place. 2017
Sir.
was,
Yep, poured acid on his face and you're coming and
Was-
telling that has nothing done, nothing.
my lords, as far as the third petition is concerned, there is no allegation. That is the sister, my lords. Allegation is she was on the first floor, she has instigated. Second petitioner, who is the brother, what's the allegation is that he was present and later he assaulted with hands. But as far as the father is concerned, my lords, I would just want to make two submissions, the background. 2017, my lords, there is initially the father registers the FIR against the son. A charge sheet came to be filed to my knowledge, my lords. However, subsequently they come to some terms, my lords, and the case gets acquitted. 2023, again, the father registers one more case against the son.
Really? So what?
Anantara, my lords, in 2023, the father, now first petitioner, he has even done a will, my lords.
So what?
So he is not entitled for any share as such.
That's all
As
right.
far as the incident
what?
is concerned, just two submissions.
So what?
So on the incident, my lords, two
That leads
submissions.
to
It's absolutely
not
no.
sprinkling, pouring of acid on the
Or
face.
the allegations may kindly be seen.
Yes,
A
sir.
1 liter bottle of acid kept in his pant pocket is the allegation.
All right.
But
We'll take it as 100 ml.
But that's the allegation itself, as per the charge sheet in the Panchanama indicates, but it's a 1 liter bottle kept in the
All a
pant.
matter of trial.
But in addition to that, the medical legal case record indicates that the incident takes place at 8 p.m. in the evening. However, my lords, as per the complaint, he goes to the place only at 9 p.m.
8 p.m. in the 9 p.m.
1 hour earlier.
Acid haki 1 hour ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Anantara, 22nd
Even if
incident
you had
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
gone 2 days later, I will not entertain, sir.
But the FIR is registered 3 days later on the
No
20
problem. 10 days later, I will not entertain.
on the 25th, my lords. In the
Or
given,
he gets acid on his face, you want to run to the police station?
lords, in the
No,
given,
sir.
Last is
in
I
the
say,
given
sir.
background as such,
No,
lords,
sir.
kindly see.
Whatever may be the background, you have no right to pour acid on somebody else's face.
For the incident, he has cooked
No.
up the entire incident, no such incident.
That is a matter of trial, whether no such incident has
My
happened or not.
submission, my lords, may kindly consider as far as.
Look at the photographs, look at the certificate of the doctor.
Please, please. my lords.
What
In fact,
else you
even the
want?
certificate of the doctor as such indicates about certain injuries, yes.
Sir.
As far as the third petition is concerned, my lords, may kindly
No,
consider.
sir.
But no allegation against her. But the allegation against her is she was on the first floor, she has instigated, that's all, my lords.
Face the music. Yes. Yes, sir.
As far as 1 and 2, I will withdraw, my lords. First and second petition.
Third petition ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಕುಮ್ಮಕ್ಕು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
ಕುಮ್ಮಕ್ಕು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಮೇಲಿಂದಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ಕುಮ್ಮಕ್ಕು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It is the only allegation against.
Yes, sir.
Only as against the third petition. First and second, I don't intend to.
The
press.
learned counsel appearing for the petitioner after arguing the matter at length would seek to withdraw the petition quae. Petitioners 1 and 2, accused 1 and 2.
Please.
3 ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಏನಿದೆಯಾ?
He appears he wants to appear.
Respondent number 2 give me.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ರೂಟ್ 2
What is
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್
not
ಆಯ್ತು.
ordered?
ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಅವ್ರು ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು
ಅವ್ರು ಹಲ್ಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಹೇಳಿ.
3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಿ
ಆಯ್ತು. So and so. The learned HCGP is directed to accept notice for the respondent. The learned counsel so and so accepts notice for the second respondent complainant petitioner to serve set of papers
Please.
upon the aforesaid counsel. List the matter on Tuesday in the fresh matters list.
Trim
To
out.
consider interim prayer, quae accused number 3.
Please.
Next.
66.
Lalita Shastri ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ judgment ಇದೆ. 192A to ILR 2008 Karnataka 44 something in the state. Yes, sir. Next.
67.
There is
120B is the offense.
There is no any allegation
That
against
will
this.
see CC of 2021.
There is no any allegation against this petitioner.
That
my lord.
will see, yes.
After arise this matter, otherwise all accused and the complaint were settled the matters. my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
The complaint executed the settlement.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು.
He was issued.
1
executed the
HCGP, 2
settlement.
emergent notice. Yes, miss. Oh, you have an eye problem? All right. All right, ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. I thought you have come for a jaunt. Yes.
Date may be fixed, my lord. I produced the confirmation date.
List on 20th. Yes.
68.
For the petitioner's counsel, I am the first buyer.
Heard the learned senior counsel Murthy Dinayak appearing for the petitioner. The complainant and the petitioner are in a squabble with regard to a solitary apartment. The petitioner's sale deed is first in time and the sale deed of the complainant appears to be next in time with a gap of 2 years. Several proceedings are pending between the two. The complaint is registered only to arm twist the petitioner with regard to the possession of the apartment. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Wait. Yes, next. Heard the learned senior counsel and Thakur. Next.
Offense 143, 147,
A7,
Yes, my lord. Accused number 4, my lord.
page 65.
Please.
Enilva.
My lords, here, my lord, kindly turn page number, statement of the eyewitnesses, my lords.
Hmm.
Page number 71.
Hmm.
This petitioner, my lords, accused number 4, not present, my lords. Allegation.
Present.
Yes, my lords, kindly see,
How do you demonstrate absence?
my lords,
How do you demonstrate absence?
my lords, here stating that eyewitness. my lords,
Statement agala.
He is named the accused number 1, 2, 3, my lords.
My lord, CW8, CW9, my lord, CW11 and CW13. They are the 4 eyewitness, my lord. They speak up about the involvement of the present. petitioner.
Thereafter, he says that there is a dispute between one informant.
ಅದೇನಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Yes, my
there
lord.
are eyewitnesses speaking of
Yes,
your
yes,
presence.
Eyewitness statement, my lord. I may be permitted to read.
Not a case for stay.
90% building was completed, my lord.
Why
At
did
that
you go
point,
and demolish?
They completely
My lords,
demolished, my lord.
here civil dispute.
No, that doesn't mean you can go and demolish.
No, my lords, here civil dispute in respect of Bandaramane. I have produced the decree copy also.
No, no.
Yes,
One HCGP to emergent notice.
please, my
Yes,
lord.
next. Pendency of this petition will not come in the way of the further proceedings before the concerned court.
70.
For the petitioner. this
354
matter,
D
my
and
lord.
C, 376 is dropped.
Please, my lord.
That is,
376.
you're fortunate that is dropped.
Please, my lord.
354 D and C.
My lord,
D and D
even if-
rather.
My lord, the parties got married, my lord. Certificate of marriage is
Marriage
produced.
as well, 354 B and C.
My lord, in fact, please.
One HCGP to emergent notice in the meantime. Next.
71.
My lord, I'm pressing for stay, my lord, if I may
Granted.
substant, please.
Yes,
Great.
next.
21.
The first time you're appearing before this court? ಮತ್ತೆ meantime ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು. Heard the learned senior counsel Vivek Reddy appearing for the
My
petitioner.
lord, in this matter,
The
my lord,
petitioner is the complainant.
Yes.
In a case that is registered against the complainant, which becomes an offense under section 7A of the Prevention of Corruption Act. The complaint is registered against this petitioner as a counterblast to what the petitioner had registered against the complainant, which has become an offense as aforesaid. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, quay the petitioner till the next date of hearing.
Please, please.
One HCGP to emergent notice.
Please.
52.
Oblige.
Yes, sir. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Aదే.
ಅದೇ.
That's the point. Because I gave the PC.
But my lord,
Right, sir. ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
my lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner, he claims to be the GPA
Vivek
holder.
Reddy ಅವ್ರದ್ದಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಏನು?
I was directed to secure the records. my
Secure, no problem. List the matter on 19th in the fresh matters list.
Please.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಜಾ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
72.
My lord, this is a case,
22.
this is a case where the allegation is that 207 subsection 4.
Serve on DSGI.
My lord, the prosecution is going on.
Let it go on. Wait. The learned counsel for the petitioner to serve on the DSGI, Shanti Bhushan for the respondent, registered to print the name of so and so. List the matter on 10th in the fresh matters list.
Oh, bless.
Yes, next.
73.
No representation list. CC 2019,
Please.
no representation list after 2 weeks. Registry is directed, no.
74.
74, Chand Pasha.
Verification in a private complaint is sought to be treated as an affidavit, my lord.
That's all right. Wound certificate, sir. Offense is 326.
Earlier, my lord.
No, offense is 326, sir.
Correct. We filed a complaint. and they gave the apology letter before the police station. Again, this gentleman files one more complaint against me. An incident said to have taken place in 2019.
Other
Private complaint is filed in 2022.
1 minute, sir. These proceedings arise out of a private complaint?
Yes, my lords. To the 10/10/2022.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Come to page 29. Sir.
Yes.
The incident has taken place on 23/8/22
He also, my lord,
at 6:30 PM, not 2019.
ಇಲ್ಲ para 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Earlier occasion
Earlier
occasion had assaulted on 19/3/2019.
Correct. my lords. Now there is already a complaint by me
Yes.
and apology letter was given
Hmm.
and the joint complaint was given. And another brother, my lord, has set up this gentleman. That's the position.
Yes.
And
My lord, charge
my
sheet
lord,
is
page
filed.
32, my lords, if your lordships kindly see.
But there is
Verification.
wound certificate, grievous in nature.
My lord,
Simple, even the otherwise.
Srivastava has to be complied, my lords. Private.
Priyanka Srivatsa.
Yes.
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ affidavit?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. But I told him to check it up from the original records. We have got certified copy. There is no affidavit.
Yes, sir.
My lord, in paragraph number 13, they say, my lord, they have complied.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Srivastava.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ. Where is and also in
My lord, all original
get the original records from the court, trial court records.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಿಸಿ.
Full certified copy.
Yes, yes.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
The learned senior counsel B. Lakshminarayan appearing for the petitioner submits that there is no compliance with the mandate of the law as laid down by the apex court in the case of Babu Venkatesh versus State of Karnataka, reported in 2022 SEC online SC page 200, in as much as there is no affidavit appended to the private complaint which has now resulted in the impugned proceedings. In the light of the said submission, a trial court records be summoned till such time there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings qua the petitioner list on 21st. Yes, next.
25.
Offenses are 406, 409.
Correct. Are connect money ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ವಾಪಸ್?
My lord, I'm the wife of the
So what?
first accused and the brother. They have nothing to do with the transaction.
That's
My lord.
all right,
It's a
but,
commercial transaction.
Accused number 1 yaru?
Accused number 1 is the husband of the first petition, accused number 2.
You tell the husband to give back the money.
My lord, the husband is not to be seen.
No, sir.
My lord,
ಯಾರೋ
just
ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ಅದು ಅರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ?
My lord, it's not from the inception. Other accused number 1 will come and answer that. As for accused number 2 and 5,
No, if I stay this ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
no. My lord, accused number
A
2.
poor
they say
man
our-
tells you are connect and you walk away without paying. No, sir.
My lord, it's a commercial transaction.
That
They
will
say
see.
they-
Law I am aware, but
My lord,
this is
civil-
not
civil dispute.
correct.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವ್ರು
ಅರೆ
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಚೀಲ ಅರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
No, my lord, he says he has given the arkana to other people also.
No word.
Accused number
What is given to you, give it, sir. ದುಡ್ಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
Lord, as per accused number 2 and 5, that's petitioner
No
1
problem.
and 2,
No problem.
ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ದುಡ್ಡನ್ನ.
My lord, accused number 1, he's
You are
not
not
in,
with
he's
your
not in
husband?
touch.
You are not living with your husband?
I'm
then
living with my husband.
Ask him to give.
My lord, at least until the,
No, ask him to give.
my lord, they are the family members. They have nothing to do with
All
the,
right, sir. You are living with your husband, right?
not as of now. My lord,
ಯಾಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
I'm not.
ಅರೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
My lord, as per at least
No,
accused
no,
number
one-
5, my lord, he is the brother.
1
Accused-
HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by 21st.
Accused number 5, he is the brother. They say that ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಕಾನಟ್ನ accused number 1 ಮಾರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
Kindly.
ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
Blood accused number 5 and ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ತಕರಿಗೆ ಸಹ ಕಳುಹಿಸಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. But the ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ತಕರು ಯಾರನ್ನೂ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Only because he is the brother and the wife just to harass an arm twist, my lord.
Correct. Arm twist ಅಲ್ಲ, to get his money.
My lord,
Give it.
ಅಲ್ಲ, they are
I don't want to drive a
harassing.
farmer to another civil
At
proceeding.
least,
Next, yes, no.
meanwhile, at least still they,
Nothing doing, yes. ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ದುಡ್ಡು. ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Petitioner has already approved.
Commercial transaction, judgment ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Not to these poor farmers. Yes.
Petitioner has already approved this honorable crime, hence I am withdrawing. Your
Thank you. In terms of the
With
memo,
liberty to file.
whatever you have told in the memo. Yes, next.
27.
ಡೆತ್ ನೋಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? An affair 306
My lord, I'll place the
investigation papers ಕೊಡಿ.
Please, I'll place it on. ಇವಾಗ
Yeah.
ಬಂದಿದೆ, I'll just place
ಆಯ್ತು,
it.
list on Thursday in the fresh matters list. Yes, next.
78.
In the meantime, next.
Hearing for
79.
petitioners in this case. Your
Yes, sir.
Honor.
79 ನಾ?
78 some.
78 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. Yes, next.
78 and
Stay ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ sir. Yes. 79, 306, 108 BNS. ಇದು
Just
investigation.
for the
that's
reason
next.
that.
Reason ಏನಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ. Crime is registered on 15/8, Independence Day. Yes.
Place it on.
ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ.
That's
Yes, list
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
on 10th in the fresh matters
Please,
list.
Lord, till then, so
Well,
the
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
police people.
Yes.
there is-
Bail act
she-
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
No, she is a student and just because of the fact that she has not revealed the relationship with her accused number one.
You're 17 years old.
Illa.
Ah.
She is 22 years, my lord, and as per the report of the respondent number
Yes.
2.
Because you're a student, I'm indulging. Yes.
Please, my lord.
The petitioner so on, heard the land counsel of the petitioner. Petitioner is before this court, calling in question registration of a crime and crime number so and so for 108 BNS, which is abetment to suicide. The learned HCGP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court. The petitioner submits that she is a student. She is a student and student. In that light, the respondent police shall not take any coercive steps till the next date of hearing.
Oblige.
80.
For the petitioner.
Page 13, tag same IO. Next.
Much obliged.
81.
That's ಕಷ್ಟ. Page 101. 307.
Not 7 ಇದೆ. But nevertheless, not simple injuries ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Injury ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ?
Injury ಇದೆ.
Yes.
Injuries ಇದೆ.
1 HCGP 2 emergent notice. Next.
82.
That's number 82 is by the husband, 83 is by the parent.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
But ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, all the allegations pertain to pre-BNS.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. BNS is invoked.
Inverse
Post facto.
ex post facto. That's the point.
You will have to say something about this in this petition.
Yes, please.
Why BNS is invoked is now promise to marry is an offense under
Yes,
the
yes,
BNS.
yes. Earlier it was not so.
Earlier it was interpretation. Now there is an offense also.
Yes.
ನೀವ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ?
I am for the parent.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ offense?
They say I was a silent spectator, thereby encouraging the.
Why did you remain silent?
Right to remain silent.
It's shocking that Sunil remains silent.
Sunil remains silent, correct.
Yes, we'll have to lay down something in this. Yes.
Yes.
But 82, 83, tag them. 82, 83, tag them.
83 li investigation ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. Is the accused number 1, my lord, 83.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. BNS will have to see.
Yes.
Yes, 82, 83 tag and list them both on 21st. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice, heard so and so senior counsel and Sunil ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು list on 21st. There shall be an interim order of stay. Respondent ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು? 84.
84.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವೇನಾ? ಬೇರೆ
84.
ಅಲ್ಲ 82 ಅಲ್ಲಿ you are appearing.
I am appearing. 83.
For the parents petition, I will be appearing, Mr. Vivek Reddy in 83 for the accused number 1.
Delhi is appearing for both.
Yes, Delhi is appearing.
Yes. ಸರಿ, ಅದು ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. There shall be an interim order of stay for the proceedings, quay the petitioners till the next date of hearing, please. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ whether this post facto application or not will decide. It was classic case to decide.
Yes. Please.
ಎಲ್ಲ because offenses ಎಲ್ಲ between 2016 to 2024.
24. Last is April 24.
24, yes.
Or January 24.
January, all right. 2024, ಹೌದು, yes. Continued promise.
The promise is broken by 24. At least from the fact the promise is broken. Now, it is that the promise to marry is not performed subsequent to July. That is the.
Marriage is not performed or promise is not performed?
Promise is breached by 24. He has blocked that. Post July 2024, not since the marriage is not performed. virtually not a negative specific performance.
But as on that date, Lord, where this relationship occurred, such a law was not.
We'll answer, yes.
It was not a law at all, except for a couple of declarations where not, in case of a minor, it was not a.
Sometimes Rolling Stones also happens. It gathers mass.
Yes.
Okay, yes.
84.
Ada namge avarge maatadu. Yes, list
Please.
on 21st.
Please. Oblige.
84 minutes.
This we have to hear it.
Not this, no, I'll just point out what had happened. Not, I had filed a writ minutes on the GM side. Not saying that the surface action should not be taken. Court said, though you are neither a borrower nor a guarantor, show me your bona fides. You deposit X amount of money. And thereafter, minutes I deposited. Your lordship passed an order that the writ may not be maintainable. So that was the point where I withdrew the writ. And I said, minutes I will avail.
It's a very old proceeding.
Correct, minutes. Now the deposit is lying before this honorable court. The judicial deposit is lying before this honorable court. And I'm not on the relief side.
Again, what have you sought here?
Minutes, what I am seeking, minutes, there was a deposit made by me in this writ petition, minutes. Deed is for
Withdrawal of the deposit.
I'm only for withdrawing that. Nothing on the merits. Nothing.
Respondent here, man. Yaru ilvala?
Let it be passed over minutes. I'll try and intimate them. The
We'll see.
banker was there.
Yaru?
The banker was appearing minutes.
Right, let it be passed over.
Please.
Pass over, yes.
85.
If my lord should kindly have page number 25, my lord, paragraph number 14 of the complaint.
Deposit, okay.
The accused number 2, my lord, is a government doctor. Both, my lord, 1 and 2 are government doctors. Mother and child hospital. Mission and
Mother and child hospital.
ಹೌದು.
ಆತರ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹೆಸರೇ ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಹೌದು,
ಚೈಲ್ಡ್
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ
ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ಏನಿದೆ
ತಾಯಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು
ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ, ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವ್ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಬಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ.
ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
That's all. In fact, the complaint, my lord, speaks that if there was, my lord, an allegation that the complaint machine was used or whatsoever, my lord, I agree. Only one.
In every case you put it so that there's nothing.
Fortunately, my lord, I get such cases on briefing
Hello.
that, my lord,
Not a case for interim order at all.
my lords may not say it so lightly. No sanction, my lord, no sanction, and compulsory citing of the witnesses under the names of the witnesses are said. But my lord, the cherry on the cake that who has spoken to this so-called violation, they are not made the witnesses. The witnesses' names are cited under the FIR, under the complaint.
What flavor?
The cherry itself.
Alla cake.
A clear case of, my lord, in fact, my lord, there are a lot of irregularities in, my lord, implementing this
There's
act.
a flavor called death by chocolate.
Death by chocolate.
ಅದೇ ಇದೆ.
Death by
So
chocolate.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. No interim order. Yes.
I am the government doctor.
Correct.
No sanction is taken.
Yes, sir.
No sanction.
Look, who did not have? She visited the hospital.
No.
That's all right. Who has recommended scanning?
Absolutely, there is no content to that effect.
Where is the document to show that she has recommended?
Absolutely zero content on that. It's only, my lord, a passing allegation.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, Jagdish ಅವರು correct. But he's clogged with so much of work. He might not have read the entire file. If my lord said, in fact, complaint says it.
You're telling about yourself or him?
My friend, my lord.
Friend, okay.
My friend.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
So I'm honored, my lord. That statement, if there is some statement, my lord, they have to be cited as a witness. My lords may kindly see who is being cited as a witness.
What are
Page
you
number
giving
30. He is not even a witness.
But ಏನಿದೆ? ಈಗ ನಾವು you have initiated proceedings against her for offense under PCPNDT, including IPC, na?
Illa. What is said, my lord, under the complaint?
23 of PCPNDT.
Yes.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ sanction?
Sanction ಇಲ್ಲ. Cognizance ತಗೊಂಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ already.
Needed, my lord, because it's
Why?
not discharge of official duty.
Why it's not discharge? What was she doing then?
No, what is this?
Which is mother and child is a private hospital, sir.
No, my lord, government
hospital.
It is run by government. Kanakapura mother and child hospitals are there everywhere.
Put it-
I have
put it-
produced my appointment order also. If your lordships would
Page-
kindly have page number 33. Item number 5.
ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕನಕಪುರ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ.
Howdo that those hospitals are, my lord, are titled as mother and child hospitals at every district level.
Where
It's
do you
run
get-
by government.
Where do I get that?
If your lordships could kindly see in the complaint itself, my lord.
No, anyway, there is a, your transfer order is set aside by KIT, page 53.
My transfer order is set aside. I was working here. Pursuant to this case, I was transferred. KIT says that transfer order is incorrect, illegal. I am not, my lord, banking upon that. KIT, my lord, prima facie felt that I was not guilty. That machine was kept, my lord, government. ಒಂದು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಕನಕಪುರದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Where is the document to show that this particular mission was directed to be shifted to her hospital? There is no document.
That's not my case. That's not my look after. You come and dump so many things in the hospital, and how am I held responsible for that?
You made.
Tomorrow you will keep a ballistic missile in the hospital. How can I question it?
You. Illustration.
Kindly see, my lord.
Allah, why is so extreme illustration, sir? Scanning machine go ballistic mission. Why do you go nuclear?
Government, my lord, keeps dumps, my lord.
That's all right. Why do you go nuclear?
Because I am failing.
Sir, illustration ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು ಕೊಡಿ.
Such a formidable man, my lord.
They would not have kept this mission in the hospital.
Who has kept it?
The petitioner also has to play a role.
Who has kept it?
Petitioner, accused number 1 has kept it. Accused number 2, my lord, has used this mission.
Who has kept it? Or ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Accused number 1 is also a government servant. ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Sanction illa. Seemingly there is
ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್
no
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
sanction.
ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. No problem. You place it. When do you want? 2 days. Well, take 1 week. Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel M.S. Shamsundar appearing for the petitioner. The learned additional SPP submits that he would secure the records and place it before the court. The allegation against the petitioner is the one punishable under section 23 of the PCPNDT. The crux of the allegation is that the scanning machine that was installed in the government hospital was directed to be operated without prior permission. The accused number 1 is said to have shifted the scanning machine and placed it in the hospital. And the petitioner is alleged to have issued certain prescriptions to conduct scanning in the government hospital. Barring this, there is no other allegation prima facie. Therefore, till the additional SPP would secure instructions and place it before the court, there shall be an interim order of stay, so on. So, where the petitioner.
So great.
20th.
So great.
ಈಗ accused number 1 ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಮ್ಮ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, maybe he'll, my lord, he will tailgate.
Sanction ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Allah, in fact, otherwise, my lord, section
ಇಲ್ಲ, accused
23
number 1 will walk away.
Allah, there is one more sanction which is required, my lord. One is 197.
ಇದು
One more is, my lord,
28, I guess.
yes, 28. 15 days, my lord, notice
Act
of
alert.
intended action has to be given, even that is also not done. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಶೋಕಾಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್. It is not intended action notice. ಅದು ಶೋಕಾಸ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್.
ಶೋಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಮೊಕದ್ದಮೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಂಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
86.
Request for 17th or 18th. Objections are filed. Either on
CCIR 17th
17th or 18th.
ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಅವತ್ತು ಮುಗ್ಸೋಣ.
Objection ಹಾಕಿದೆ. It's already for
Fine.
hearing already.
At the request of the learned counsel appearing
Madhukar Desh.
Madhukar Deshpande, list the matter on 17th. Yes.
87.
505 subclause 2 is involved.
Why did you speak all that?
But I have said that it is danger, Islam is a dangerous to the earth.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ಬೇಡಿ, but why did you speak all that?
Yes, it's a speech. but
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. You have to incite something somewhere.
Has not resulted with any communal.
That's true. Other ಮೇಲೆ you get away. Again you go and write. Where was the necessity to speak all that?
Carelessness, that's,
Huh?
it's a carelessness.
What? I'm seeing day in and day out. ಬರೆಯಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು.
Matter is now the investigation is completed. They have placed the investigation paper before the deputy commissioner for grant of sanction.
But how does it answer
Multiple
Javed
cases.
Hajam and
The multiple cases.
Shiva Prasad
against these
Semwal?
people multiple cases against these people of similar nature.
True. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. Why all this?
It's a strongly worded,
I know it is.
But
It
he's
need
not
not, see, it need not result in violence or something. If it is capable of generating violence, that is enough.
But it's, the complaint is not a capitative audience. It's free to avoid the listening of the speech.
Get the papers. Multiple complaints, What multiple complaints? Could you, madam?
Not against this particular. Accused number 1 has similar cases also in that.
Accused number 1 yaar? You are accused number 1?
Sir, accused number 2 has the.
2 has.
Yes.
But 1 ಮೇಲೆ
Same gang.
Gang? Huh. Gang.
Indicate.
Anyway, get the papers. I'll list it on 10th. You should ask him to encourage restraint. It's not correct. How long will you do all this? 10th ಕೊಡುವ ನೋಡಿ.
Elections are over, my lords, everything is done.
And that's the problem. Some regulation should be there. Yes, next.
Proceedings be stayed, my lords. It's
On
old
10th we'll
complaint.
grant.
Great.
Yes. 27B
Your Lordship, 27B.
to hear the other side.
In this, Your Lordship,
Then
the co-accused-
parcel comes to you, is it, or what?
there's only consumption allegation that is made. Another thing is that the co-accused are all, it has been quashed against the co-accused.
How costly?
Coordinate bench has quashed. Coordinate bench is quashed against multiple.
Yeah, which is that, Cody? Well, it should go before the same bench. Co-accused, it should go before the same bench. Which is that, madam?
Lordship, it's filed, I have filed those orders under, page 729,
729?
volume 2 only,
all right.
729 page number.
Justice Hemant Chandra. Justice Hemant Chandra ಅವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅವರು. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the co-accused, a coordinate bench in writ petition 7178 of 2024 has quashed the proceedings. In that light, registry is directed to place the matter before the same bench in the light of the circular. ಅದೇನೋ ಇದೆ ಒಂದು ಅವೇ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ circular so and so.
Agreed.
Yes.
89.
For the petitioner.
Similarly, this case, your
Huh?
lordship. Procedurally, your lordship has dismissed.
ಯಾವ್ದು?
Case ಮೇಲೆ.
Correct.
Subsequently coordinated.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳಿ?
Indian NDPS.
27B. Anyway, coordinate bench is allowed it. Should go there.
304B, 498.
Lethal combination.
Millards?
Lethal combinations. 498A, 304B.
Allah, totally 7 accusers, my lords. Accused number 1 is husband. He is not before this court.
Parvaya.
Accused number 2 is, my lords, mother-in-law. Accused number 3 is elder sister-in-law. Accused
Parvaya.
number 4 is younger sister-in-law.
What is the date of the crime?
Date of the crime is just 10/5/2024.
But investigation.
Allah, my lords, kindly.
No, sir.
Allah, please, my lord. I will
No, sir.
2 minutes time, I will explain. my
Oh,
lords.
really, sir?
No, complaint itself, my lords, it narrates, my lords, both the deceased and the husband were residing in Bangalore right from the date of the
All
marriage.
right, we'll see.
No,
No problem.
ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಕಲಬುರ್ಗಿಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ,
Bail ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, kindly, please, my lords, until then, I will make out.
Till what, sir? Bail ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿದೆ.
2 minutes, my lords, I will explain the case, please. Kindly see page number 18, my lords.
Get the investigation papers. The learned HCGP is directed to secure the investigation papers and place it before the court. 11th in the fresh matters list.
Not even an iota of ingredient,
11th
my
in the bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೆ?
bail ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
11th in the fresh matters list. Next.
90.
In the meantime, next. FOC. Forest offense. Yes, sir.
In spite of there being a subsisting order, which is.
What order, sir?
Order passed by this honorable court at page number 64.
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I need time, I will file my objection.
Oh, the 2009 order.
Yes,
All
my lord.
right, we'll see.
My lord, may I persuade my lord in so far as the
Second.
registration of the FIR is concerned and consequent proceeding? Kindly appreciate at page number 66, para number, after para number 6. Respondent 2 is directed to consider the application of the petitioner for regularization within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of this order. It is open for the petitioner to make fresh application for regularization of the earlier application is not found. Till the application is considered and disposed of, the respondent shall not give effect to annexure H. I am in the circumstances where my protection is protected, my possession is protected by virtue of this order. It is not the say of the respondents that
Let
the
him see and come.
the representation has been.
Land, my lord, even recently.
No, that is true. FOC will not straight away grant. Heard the learned senior counsel V. Shankar Narayan Rao appearing for the petitioner. Learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice, secure the papers, particularly with regard to the submission of the counsel for the senior counsel for the petitioner that he is protected in terms of page 64 order, the number hakpadi, madam. Yes, so and so. List on 12th.
My lord, till then, a
No, sir.
limited protection, otherwise
No.
coercive action, FIR is registered. My lord, may
Let it
kindly
be.
see at page number 71.
Yes, sir. List
Yep.
on 12th in the fresh matters list. Yes, next.
92.
While it is in the custody of.
ಏನ್ DRT ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
DRT ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾವ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕೇರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ DRT ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, sir. You can't take the litigants for a ride like this.
But I appear for State Bank of India. I am a panel lawyer. What can I do, my lord? The documents are marked. It is produced before.
Where
the
is
court.
V. Prasanna Kumar? He is the panel lawyer.
The panel lawyer.
But how did the documents vanish from DRT?
It did not vanish. It was
ಮತ್ತೆ?
reconstructed. And the counsel for the
No, one
complainant, my lord,
HCGP,
he also says
two
has been
emergent notice.
reconstructed to his satisfaction.
One HCGP panel lawyer ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
No, but there are serious allegations, my lord. The
Against
documents
him
are-
also?
Against him also.
Ah.
Oh, no, there are no allegations against me, my lord.
Get the
Except for the
investigation
fact that.
papers.
And
The
my lord,
learned
in-
HCGP is directed to, sorry, learned additional SPP is directed to accept notice for the first respondent. Emergent notice to the second respondent. List on 21st. The additional SPP is directed to secure the records of investigation and place it before the court on the next date.
my lord, insofar as accused number 2 and accused number 8, there is an interim order passed by this honorable.
Accused
court.
number 8, that
The
Gauramma.
presiding officer.
That Gauramma I have
And as
granted.
far as the managing director of SBI, my lord, there is an interim order of stay.
See, absolutely. So chairman and managing sitting in Bombay, what they will do, sir?
I'm just placing those
I
facts
know that.
before
I
the
have
court.
granted those stays
Yes,
and
yes,
I am aware of it.
My lord, and as far as the advocate is concerned, my lord,
We'll
what
see.
role does he have to
No,
play,
he
my lord?
says their allegations. We'll see the papers and then grant.
Yes, my lord.
It's list on 21st in the fresh matters list.
My lord, till then, no coercive action be taken against.
Bail
him.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Bail. He's
Bail
not-
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
It's a lawyer panel.
ಯಾಕೆ
advocate, my
bail
lord.
ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಗೋಬಹುದು. But my lord, it would only lead to
No, no.
embarrassment to the lawyer.
That we'll see. If there's any problem, you move the matter. Yes. ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ PCP NDT. Ramsundar.
93, please, my lords, for the petitioner, my lords.
The petitioner
Covered
is
by your
before-
lordships. Please,
Covered,
please.
ಸರಿ 498 376 ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಅವ್ರು ಮದ್ವೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 164 ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 498 ಗೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The complainant registers a complaint for offense punishable under section 498A. The concerned court takes cognizance for offense under section 376 and 420 of the IPC. The two would not go hand in hand except in exceptional cases. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Yes, next.
Grateful.
94.
I appear for the petitioner since.
Why, sir, you're not appearing still?
No, no. I was preparing for a afternoon, my lord, further hearing matter.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ further hearing ನಾಳೆ ಈಗ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ I was preparing.
Oh, ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Okay. Yes. ಇದು 13th, sir.
Please, my lord.
13th.
Still salary itself not.
No, that's all right. 13th.
Please.
Yes. Not to file charge sheet on the order ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದ್ ಮಾಡಿ list on 13th.
Please, even 96 also.
13 PC Act. 10th, yes.
Even 96 also not is the same.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
95.
CC 2013.
My lord, that is why Annexure E might be looked into. My lord, it
E-
has been dropped according
has-
to the,
who has
yes,
been
all, my lord, about this. This is the statement made by the Home Minister, my lord.
Home Minister?
Please, my lord. My lord, this is with regard to this Kaveri River dispute. My lord, multiple cases.
Kaveri dispute.
Howದು. My lord, Annexure E, my
One
lord,
KGP 2
73.
emergent notice. In the meantime, we will dispose it next time.
Please.
Based on 21st. Next.
My lord, stay, my lord.
No, in the meantime, stay. Yes, next.
96.
Same, 10th,
Yes.
same order.
Yes.
Yes, next.
BP Patil Milord Islands.
Same, ಅದು ಮಾಡಿ. Baby Patil take notice. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Please.
97.
1991 KP Act.
About
Get the papers, then gambling.
about the identical matters, your lordship.
Give
has
it, we'll
already
see.
stated.
Both
This is
will.
the case where the petitioner, who's an employee of a company, has been arraigned as an accused without the company itself being made a party.
KP Act ಅಲ್ಲ. We'll see. Patrolling. Tag this petition along with so and so. Same, copy the interim order. List on 20th. The fresh matters list. Learned additionally, the HCGP is directed to accept notice. Next.
98.
This case, the complaint is that amount of 2.5.
Have you reimbursed 2,50,000?
It has been
Where is
reversed.
that?
That is reversed. Your lordship will find it at page 156. Page 156, the last entry.
Why did you debit?
What had happened was the other company was a sister concern, and that account was going to become SMA, and therefore we debited the account of Chalo Fly, and it went to
Unauthorized debit.
that is what they say, but such a transaction has happened earlier.
Petitioner is before this court calling in question so and so. The issue in the list is with regard to unauthorized debit from the current account of the complainant. The complainant has also registered a case before the consumer forum on the same score. The complaint is registered. We are suppressing the fact that the amount of 2,50,000 was immediately reimbursed to the account of the petitioner. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings, square the petitioner till the next date of hearing. Yes.
Now, what had happened was 5th of May was the FIR registration. 16th May we have reversed it.
All right.
And great.
99.
Petition.
In the meantime,
100.
Right.
next.
So 1 and 3 ಗೆ stay ಇದೆ.
With 1 and 3 ಕೊಡಿ. Tag this and so and so.
It's annexed in the petition,
Page.
page number 59.
Page?
59.
Same order, madam. Next.
What's-
Same order, sir. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ stay ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ stay ಇದೆ.
Yes, A3 ಏನ್ ರೋಲ್ madam?
Work pending before me.
No,
on this matter.
we'll see. Learned Counsel to BB Patil is directed to accept notice for the respondent just on 13th.
Because until then, not to
No,
file charge sheet, my lords.
ಅದು ಆ order ಇದೆ, not to file charge sheet order ಇದೆ, yes, in all these cases, yes, next. Madam, 18.
And two.
For petitioner, Your Honor. Your Honor, in this case, we are seeking direction to the lower court.
True, it's a 2023 matter.
No, Your Honor, this DV Act was filed in the year 2019 and it was transferred and now
It's
it is
become, okay.
referred as.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer, heard so and so. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petition has been pending before the concerned court for the last 5 years. As the proceedings were instituted by the wife in the year 2019 and is transferred to the present court in the year 2023. Until now, there is no progress in the said case. All the members of the family are roped into the proceeding as respondents. In that light, I deem it appropriate to direct the concerned court to conclude the proceedings within 6 months.
Yes.
Within 6 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order, if not earlier. It is needless to observe that the parties to the list would cooperate for disposal of the case as observed herein above. And in the event of non-cooperation, the concerned court would be at liberty to pass appropriate orders in accordance with law. Yes, next.
The senior counsel is on VC.
103.
Yes, sir. I am appealing for the
petitioner.
Yes, sir.
But the issue has a checkered career.
Hmm.
But a number of writ petitions, writ appeal, and then a special leave petition also. Probably it would be useful for me to invite my lord's kind attention to the order which came to be passed by the division bench of this honorable court, which my lord gets at ink page 207. In all these writ petitions, my lord, and in the writ appeal, special leave petition, this is the subject matter. May I request your lordship to kindly have a cursory look at paragraph 44. Would your lordship permit me to take your lordship to this paragraph?
Yes.
In this regard, we also note that successive attempts made by the appellant to somehow stall the acquisition process has resulted in the respondent number 5 society and its allottees not being able to carry on any development on the land in question, although they have been already allotted. Further, on account of the successive litigation and stay orders granted by this court, there has been a delay in release of the plan, although relinquishment of the land for the purpose of roads and civic communities has been made by the respondent number 5 society in favor of the Bangalore Development Authority. We therefore deprecate the tendency of the appellant who has filed successive petitions before this court, which has taken precious time, and that too on the same pleas or on pleas which were available even when the earlier petition was filed. Further, other pleas which are not available to the appellant have been raised, where no relief could be given to the said pleas. In the circumstances, we dismiss the appeal with cost of rupees 1 lakh, the said cost, etc. Well, in the next writ petition, may I just request your lordship to kindly turn to my lord, page 200, and Supreme Court would dismiss it at page 200. Very next page, my lord, he would take up the matter before the Supreme Court, and the Honorable Supreme Court would also dismiss the special leave petition, page 209. Now, kindly go to page 227, WP number 7304, my lord. That would be very, very important. But I would move this honorable court for initiation of contempt proceedings against the BDA.
Yes.
Well, this on in that contempt petition, my lord, the BDA would give an undertaking before this honorable court that they are going to 227. Have a look at 227. Kindly go to the operative portion of the order, which my lord gets at page.
Now, who is the complainant?
Well, at complainant now, he would issue a notice to me to appear. Then I would file a writ petition before this court. Well, at that writ petition, your lordship would get at page 244.
244.
Well, the writ petition commences at page 227. Well, an interim order came to be passed by this honorable court at page 244. He would issue me a notice requiring my appearance before him. I would contend before him that who are you? You are not an officer in charge of a police station. You are an inspector of police attached to a squad in Bangalore Development Authority. You have neither an authority or a jurisdiction under the provisions of the code or under any other statute requiring my presence before you.
We'll tag it with this and post it tomorrow.
Please.
Heard the learned senior counsel Sri V. Nagesh appearing for the petitioner. Tag the petition along with page 244. List them both tomorrow in the fresh matter.
Well, one more petition is there.
Number could is.
Yes, in relation to this very matter itself, there is another complaint filed earlier to this.
Number could is.
Well, that is a criminal petition. Your lordship would get page 541. 541.
Yes, so it's next.
Right.
104.
Satyanand.
Lord, kindly see annexure, yes, 208. The petitioner, my lord, he is one of the trustees of this particular trust. My lord,
We'll see. 1 HCGP 2 emergent notice returnable by 21st. Till the appearance of the complainant, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings. Next.
105.
Offenses under the Drugs and Cosmetics
Sanitizer.
Act. Please no.
Sanitizer.
Sanitizer lots. He held license for both the products.
here's the records.
The competent authorities declared that ethyl alcohol can be used.
Yes.
Here's the entire record.
And you have say that because of usage of ethyl alcohol, the sanitizer is withdrawn.
Yes.
Replace, sir.
It is of not of standard quality, my lord.
Because ethyl alcohol was there. Yes,
They are on bail, my lord, inspector bail.
Yes, we'll see. One HCGP, who's the complainant?
There's only
ఎవరు?
so they are this.
One HCGP list on 19th till such time further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed on the score that what was alleged against the petitioner was usage of ethyl alcohol in the sanitizer, and for that reason it was depicted to be not of standard quality. The competent authority later approves usage of ethyl alcohol in place of isopropyl alcohol, and therefore the offense that was alleged against the petitioner becomes bleak.
Petitioners.
Petitioners
Great.
would become bleak. Yes, next.
Great.
566 key, my lord. None of the ingredients as required made out.
What made out?
My lord, if your lordship just gets the complaint, my lord. My lord, her allegation is that I have put up a post about this
Why?
complaint.
Instagram, why did you put up a post?
Lord, about 6.5 lakhs is
And
over.
you know, Mystic, what is that? Mystic Substance account. Why did you create that?
That is the original Instagram handle of the petitioner here in my lord. That is
Then
the
you
only-
mishandled it.
Lord,
Why?
my lord, if your lordship just gets the last page, my
I know,
lord.
I've seen it, no problem. It may not meet that.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir.
Where's the investigation paper?
Kudi style.
ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Kudi. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ?
Lord, private area by itself, by the act. That means
Petitioner is before this court, so and so. The offense alleged against the petitioner is under section 66C of the Information Technology Act. The perusal at the complaint would indicate that it is, would demonstrate that the complainant herself is not sure as to what has happened. Therefore, there shall be an interim order of state till the learned HCGP would secure and place the investigation papers on record. Yes, next.
grateful.
107?
ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಜ, ಬಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. 13(1)D.
Lord's disproportionate assets, they have included all those assets which is belonging to the wife, son and the father-in-law, which is acquired by them by declaring them, Lords, at some point of time in their income tax returns, having independent source of title.
Lord, there are identical matters on 13.
Yes.
On 10th, madam, 13.
13th, Lord Sam told.
We'll take this also. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ 4 ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Retired, Lords, more than the retired here, Lords, it is the whole problem is whether it is either mischievous or otherwise, if it is reflected from the records which they have themselves seized.
This is what we have to lay down, sir, because they have declared in their APR. Then, sorry, APR, that.
Income tax and ITRs.
ITRs, ಹೌದು.
Yes.
Then annual assets and liability statement.
There also it is declared.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
Where is any question of that's the reason? Please.
ಅದ್ರ 4 ಇದೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Please.
ಈಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
Not to file charge sheet.
Please.
Heard the learned senior counsel sounds. Yes.
Great.
Just on 13. Settlement talks ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ crime?
That's my recall.
ಸೆಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಕ್ಕಿದು?
No, this is a issue, my lords. May I just pass this one sheet?
ಇದು ಕೊಡಿ.
Only,
Yes.
just to see what is happening, because my lords had started with a question, my lords. I just want to answer it. I don't want to read it, my lords. On Sati note.
U-turn ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ? U-turn.
U-turn ಕಿಂತ
Failure.
see,
Yes.
my lords,
All right, you serve on the council.
no, there's no party on the other side. It is only a direction which I'm seeking, my lords.
What
My turn.
direction?
Yes, my lords. My lords, my turn to.
Complete the investigation.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ settlement talks ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, complete the investigation. We'll see.
No, settlement talks failed, but the answer also.
Number ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು. Those numbers ಕೊಡಿ.
That's,
Those writ petition numbers.
yes, man, I'll give that.
Give it. Tag along with that.
So it's that, just 1 second. That matter, my lords, is pertaining to perjury, my lords. In so far as this is concerned.
Sir, between the husband and whatever, there are talks going on, or it has failed, we don't know. I have adjourned that matter on the ground that talks are on. ಹೌದಾ?
No, talks on ಅಲ್ಲ. ಅದು fail ಆಗಿದೆ, final hearing ಅಂತ 4ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. It's gone to
4ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ. List on
This
4th.
has got nothing to do with them because it's only the state government. My lords, may
It's
look
all
at-
right, sir. Investigation ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
That's my only
Sir,
request.
you can't blow hot and cold. Sit on the settlement table and arm twist them with this. It's not.
No, my lords, settlement talks have failed.
ಆಯ್ತು, 4th will take it. List on 4th.
Please. My lord, my instruction, my lord, in the present crime, my lord.
Charge sheet ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
A report ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಬೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್
They have not even called us.
ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಟ್.
That's in that case, let's let this matter be had next Monday or Tuesday.
All right,
I'll just-
list on 10th, produce the bay report. You'll register another crime ಆಮೇಲೆ.
But the fact of the matter, the settlement talks between the two of them have failed. And the answer was appearing for the respondent there. And we made a submission, post that, have posted it for hearing on the merit of the case. That's for day after. So this matter, and that matter are two different things.
All right, bay report ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Let me just check that. May have it on 10th. Let me.
10th in the fresh matters list. Learned HCGP on instructions would submit that the police after investigation have filed a bay report.
Yes, sir. See.
Order 109.
Filing memo for withdrawal.
In terms of the memo.
110 withdrawal motion. Memo ಇದೆ.
In terms of memo.
One 111.
Hitesh Lord. No representation, list after 2 weeks. ಏನಿದು? Why moved? Swami.
My lord, it's all these 4 petitioners, please, my lord, they are arraigned as accused number 1 to 4 for the offences under 306 of the IPC. The deceased is the husband of accused number 4, please.
Charge sheet ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Agide, charge sheet has been filed, please, my lord. That, my lord, on the previous day, please, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. List day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Please, my lord.
Yes, next. Question?
113.
Time ಬೇಕಾ? You want time?
No, my lords. My
Which is the earlier matter?
My lords, I had, during the crime stage, I had filed, my lords. Criminal petition.
ಇದು 306.
Please, my lords. Only on the basis of the voluntary statement, my lords, which they have forcibly made.
Same day after tomorrow in the fresh matters list. Yes, next. Rohan.
114.
Complaint alleging 153, not 153A, 295 and 505 in respect of a tweet that's deleted 2 hours after it's posted. Complaint, your lordship will find it page 28.
Yes, government.
2 hours after I delete the tweet with an apology.
Various notices that issued.
Tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Very.
Yes. Settlement.
14 settlement, 115.
Your lordship. I have a petitioner 498, your lordship. Matter reporting settlement.
Where?
What is the present? Please go to that.
Good.
Because, come this side, both.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ settlement?
I report it is there. Joint also, my memo also filed.
In the application compounding, a joint affidavit ಮಾತ್ರ quote ಮಾಡಿ. Yes. Next.
Order sheets. 116.
Yes, Latif.
Settlement, it may be on next Monday, my lord.
All right. We have date. When do you want?
Next week, any date. my lord.
All right, yes, next.
Date may be fixed.
Next, 10th, 10th at 2:30 PM.
Please.
Report settlement. Next, 117.
170.
ರೂಪಾ.
Order ಮಾಡಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ?
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆನೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. List tomorrow at 2:30 PM. 2:30 ಬೇಡ, list tomorrow ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. Yes. Next.
118.
This first time common order ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು? 10th ಹಾಕಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಡ್ರಾಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Non-compliance of office objection
for the
first time,
first time.
119 to
Two
203.
2 weeks time granted. ಯಾವ್ದು withdrawal ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ. 2 weeks time is granted to comply with the office subject. 1 minute.
My lords, one submission,
1 minute.
201, my lords.
1 minute. 2 weeks time is granted to comply with the office objections. In the event office objections as on today have been complied with, the registration lists the matter on the 9th without a memo being moved before this court. In all the cases where office objections are still pending today, in the event the stand complied, the registration lists the matter on 16th Monday without a memo being moved before this court.
My lord,
17th. Yes.
Serial number 149 is concerned, my lord. I've complied the office objection on 18/11.
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು. If it is complied, it will come on Monday.
It is covered by matter, my lord.
No problem. If it is complied, it will come on Monday. ಅವತ್ತೇ ಕೊಡಿ. Yes.
My lords, one submission, my lords.
129 withdrawal.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ವಿಡ್ರಾವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. Yes.
Lord, serial number 197, withdrawal.
197. 1 minute. That's first time or second time? First time. All right. 197 on submission. Land Council with the petitioner seeks leave of this court to withdraw the petition. Submission is placed on record, disposed as withdrawn. Yes, next.
Serial number 147, my
My lords, serial number 201.
147.
147.
147. My lordship, this matter is connected with the criminal petition number 8951 of 2022 in this case. Your
Either tag this petition along with so.
I'm filing in a memo with respect.
Birth ಕೊಡಿ ಅದು.
Filing in a memo.
ಕೊಡಿ. Yes. Next 207 ಏನು?
201, my lords.
201 what?
201, my lords, there is no need to comply the office objections as the matter is already been settled, my lords. And another one more petition is there, my lords. Criminal
Number-
petition
number
60,
ಕೊಡಿ.
66 of 2024.
Number ಕೊಡಿ.
60, 66 of 2024. 2022. Sorry, my lords, 60, 66 of 2022.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Video off ಆಗಿದೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Yes, so and so. Let's tag this petition along with so and so. Same order, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು office objection, same order.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Yes.
ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನಂಬರ್.
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಸ್
Number-
ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಸೊ
ಸರಿ
yeah,
ಬಿಡಿ.
all the way he has to
Monday ಬಂದು
ಏನೋ
ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಬರ್ತಿದಾರಂತೆ.
Yes. ಆಯ್ತು.
ಮಂಡೇ
ಬಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಈಗಲೇ ಬಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Monday-
ಕೊಡಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಂಡೇಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ so that I'll they will come on Monday, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು. Come on Monday. List on Monday.
Please, my
Yes, next.
Serial number 214, my lord, 214, my lord, withdraw the
214 in submission withdrawal.
withdrawal.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
10 memo, lordship.
210 ಅದೆಲ್ಲ NVJ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ.
Second time matters.
Second
104
time
to 233.
10 days time, same order.
214 in
Serial number 229. The objections, the rest of the objections we have complied.
No problem. Whatever. I have passed an order. If you have complied, Monday.
Other 3 objections.
ಮಾಡಿ.
Name of the petitioner number not forthcoming in the FIR.
ಮಾಡಿ.
So that is not mentioned in the FIR.
That will see. Whatever I have granted, if you comply with the objections, Monday it will come. Yes, next.
Third time matters 234 to 275.
Adu same 10 days peremptory order. In the event they stand uncomplied, the petition should be dismissed for its non-prosecution. Yes, fourth time.
Time 276 to 281.
Fourth time.
ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೀವು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. Yes. 1 week time is granted, failing which dismissed without reference to bench.
282, my lord.
Sixth time. 1 week time finally, same dismissed for non-prosecution in the event they don't comply. Yes.
230.
230? ಏನ್ ಸರ್? ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು?
Serial number 230.
213.
230.
213.
203.
230. ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು?
Senior ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Senior ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Senior
2 ವಾರ. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅದೇ ಆಗೋದು.
petitioner.
ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಎಸ್.
Serial number 111, my lord.
Ah.
To actually challenge the transfer of the petitioner from Bangalore Central Prison to Belagavi, my lord.
Ah.
Serial number 111, my lord.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್
Please, my lord. He's
For
been
it,
transferred
ಯಾಕೆ?
from Bangalore Central Prison to Belagavi Central Prison, my lord.
ಯಾವ್ದು ದರ್ಶನ್
The actor Darshan.
ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Please, my lord, I have challenged only with regard to accused number 14 in this matter.
ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Please, my lord, I have my sufficient reasons to convince this court.
Then tomorrow in the fresh matters list.
Please.
111 tomorrow in the fresh matters list. ಯಾಕೆ? He's not yet transferred.
It's already been transferred. It's
Already been transferred.
Yes, my lord.
Repatriate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಕೊಡೋಣ.
A date may be fixed.
List on 111 ಮಾತ್ರ. List on next 10th, 11th. List on 11th in the fresh matters list.
Please. Achha.
Darshan also wants to come back, huh?
No, my lord, this is only with regard to accused number 14 because he has no role to do with regard to the transfer, my lord. Because the Parapanagrara PS has registered an FIR also naming other accused persons, not with this particular accused, my lord. The lapse of the state government has.
All right. 2:30 ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2:80 ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮುಂದೆನಾ?
ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ 214 ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆ ಮೆಮೊ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.